So we're hitting that stick right over there.
You see
70 yards. A ver si le pego. Yeah, I can see it. Without leaning on anything, right? Just like that?
Yeah, just like that. Fuck it.
Who's next?
I was all focused on the camera. I forgot you were going to press that trigger.
A ver
You
quién.
got to the right or you hit up or it went through, bro, because you knocked una piedra.
The top. Oh, the piedra?
Yeah, piedra, but you shot the piedra to the side. We'll see in the
I
video.
see the dirt flew this way, but the wind might be.
A ver, who's next?
Fuck.
Hasta que la tumben.
I'm all fucking shaky. Mira. Damn, I'm hella shaky.
Yeah, you hit the same piedra.
You moved it. A ver, Venom, you're next.
Fuck. Well, you know we could kill a deer.
All right, check him with the binoculars. We're all like an inch off. 70 yards.
Hey, that's a cool shot.
I see how close he gets.
Ready?
Super close.